With funding delivered through Dorset Council and the Arts Development Company, and working with a local artist, Dorset Museum recently provided a series of creative workshops for adults with learning disabilities, young men with poor mental health, and people with early onset dementia.
We thought the Frinks collection would be a really good theme to work on, and we worked with an expert on Frinks who helped bring the sculptures to life for the participants.
You can see his eyes are closed and there's a serenity to him that somehow he's...
My name is Janna Edwards. I'm here to run the clay workshop relating to Frinks work. So the idea that I came up with was to make some heads in the style of like Frink heads, but to enable people to actually express their thoughts and feelings about anything they wanted to say. So that was the initial idea, and then obviously the pandemic happened. So I changed it to my thoughts and feelings over lockdown. Just watching as the weeks have gone on, everybody's engaging more, they're calmer, they're interested, you know, it's a 3-hour workshop, it's a long time.
Over the course of the 6 weeks, we noticed that the group were really gelling and really enjoying the time together.
I've seen people grow in confidence and just in that concentration and that whole thing of like, I can.
Just nice to be able to get out of the house and do something different. It's nice to be able to have someone to talk to.
I find out about it through the day centre, where I'm getting some support at the moment. I learned how to score and slip, which means you scratch the clay and then you slip it, which is a liquid clay. Otherwise, when it goes in the kiln, the parts won't join. And they're a good way to express yourself. It's quite relaxing and it's nice being around people. It's a nice little group that we've got that's doing it at the moment. For each week we've had new people joining, so obviously that must be a good thing.
One of the participants didn't even realise he had a talent, actually, I don't think.
She did say, oh, you know, it's really good, you've got a talent and all that, but I didn't believe it, like most things. I got an anxiety disorder, so I just thought, you know, yeah, you say that to everyone, I bet.
I think what's great is when you actually see people and they're doing it and they're making it and they're buzzing off it and they're getting excited. And I think, you know, there's one particular person here who's just like an actual natural with clay and just, yeah, makes my heart sing. I
just found it enjoyable and it is, you know, looking back, it's therapeutic. It is a great thing. I'm thankful to everybody who's given me the opportunity. I wish there was more.
I think there are limited opportunities for people with various different challenges to get involved in creative opportunities. So this was a great project for them to be part of, and hopefully only the beginning of what Dorset Museum will be able to do in the future.